Have you ever wondered how much time it will take to break this chest or this chest which has 5000 trillion HP and this steampunk chest which has 25,000 trillion health? Can this bunny which is free paid from Pet Simulator X break this chest or this chest or this steampunk chest? Yes, they can break, but how much they will take time? I will tell you everything in this video. So watch this video till to the end and like this video and subscribe my channel. I'm a new creator. So here is coin stack with HP of 500. Let's see how much time it will take to break this from this bunny which has 1 HP. So it's take 1 minute 41 seconds. Let's see how much time it will take if this coin has 1 HP. So basically I am going to divide this time by 500. Then this bunny will break it in 0.003366666 blah 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 minute. So let's go to our first big chest which has 200 million HP. Can the bunny break this chest easily? Here is my bunny and he is so cute. He can break this, but it will take so much time. So I can multiply this number with 200 million. So it will take 673,333.33333 minutes. If we change this time into year, it is 1.28105779 blah 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 year. Oh my god. So if you wanna break this, go ahead man, just go. It will take only 1 year, 102 days, 15 hours and some minutes. You can break it easily. So here is our next chest which has 1 billion health. How much time it will take to break this chest? So you wanna do it? Just don't do it man. Just don't do it. I know I can do it, but you will never. So it will take 6.40 something year to break this chest. Oh my god. So let's move to our next chest which has 50 billion health. Can we break this? Yes, you can break this. It will take 320.2688 something year to break this chest. Oh my god. I think you can do this. Just tell your grandson to break the chest and he will tell his grandson. So why not? Go for it. Yes, you can do it. So moving to our new chest which has 1 trillion HP. How much time it will take to break this? I was thinking to do this, but when I calculate this all, no one can do it. It will take 6,405.377 something year. No one can do this. No one. Okay? Don't try this. Please. So moving to our next chest which has 5,000 trillion HP. Oh my god, look at this big chest. Oh my god. And this little cute bunny, can he do it? So if you can play this game 32,026,889 point something years, you can break this. So moving to our next chest, and this has 25,000 trillion HP. So if you try to break this steampunk chest with this little cute bunny, you can do it, but you have to just wait for, let me check.